Did you know there's a global standard that unites software testers worldwide? It's called ISTQB, and it sets the benchmark for testing excellence. Let's explore how it became the go-to certification for professionals everywhere. Founded in 2002, the International Software Testing Qualifications Board, ISTQB, aims to standardize testing practices globally. By validating skills and improving team communication, ISTQB certification is recognized by employers across the globe. ISTQB offers three main certification levels: Foundation, Advanced, and Expert. Each level builds on the last, ensuring you gain comprehensive testing knowledge. But which level aligns with your career goals? Beyond the core levels, ISTQB provides specialized certifications in Agile, automation, security, and performance. These specializations allow you to tailor your expertise to industry demands and personal interests. ISTQB certification enhances your professional profile, making you a valuable asset in international projects. It equips you to work seamlessly with development teams, bridging gaps and fostering collaboration. Being ISTQB certified means you're ready to tackle global challenges. It opens doors to new opportunities and ensures you're always at the forefront of software testing advancements. In summary, ISTQB is more than just a certification, it's a career investment. By obtaining it, you enhance your testing skills and unlock new career paths. It's a step towards a brighter future in software testing. Ready to elevate your career? Start your ISTQB certification journey today and join a global community of testing professionals. Together, let's shape the future of software testing.